how strong a material is before it's used in real life? From buildings to plastic bottles, materials go through tests to ensure they are durable and safe. One important test is the tensile test. But which materials can be tested? Let's find out. Introduction to tensile testing. A tensile test helps determine the strength, flexibility, and elongation of a material. This test is widely used in industries like constructions, automotive, aerospace, and packaging. Now let's explore the different materials that can be tested using this method. Materials that can be tested. First, metals and alloys. Metals like steel, aluminum, and titanium are tested for strength and ductility. This is essential in aerospace, automotive, and construction industries, where durability is key. Second, plastics and polymers. From packaging materials to medical devices, plastic and polymers are tested to ensure they can withstand different forces without breaking or deforming too easily. Third, rubber and elastomer. Rubber materials used in tires, seals, and gaskets need high elasticity and durability. Tensile testing helps manufacturers produce long-lasting and reliable rubber products. Fourth, composites and fiber-reinforced materials. Composites like carbon fiber and fiberglass are widely used in sports equipment, aerospace, and high-performance vehicles. Their lightweight yet strong nature makes them ideal for critical applications. Fifth, textiles and fabrics. Ever wondered how strong your clothing fabric is? Textile and fabrics undergo tensile testing in industries like fashion, industrial textiles, and even parachute manufacturing. Sixth, paper and cardboard. Packaging materials like paper and cardboard are tested to check their strength and durability. This ensures that boxes can hold weight and survive shipping conditions. Seventh, wires and cables. Electrical and mechanical industries rely on wires and cables that can withstand tension without snapping. Tensile testing ensures the quality and reliability of these essential components. Importance of tensile testing. As you can see, tensile testing plays a major role in quality control, product safety, and innovation across multiple industries. Without it, we wouldn't have reliable buildings, safe vehicles, or durable everyday products. So next time you see a strong bridge, a flexible plastic bottles, or a sturdy car frame, remember that it has gone through rigorous testing.